Welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 ways to make money by reviewing apps. If you've been searching for this type of video, then you're at the right place. Let's get into the video. Various apps provide product service reviews for the end users to visit and apprise themselves about the best features. They also acquire knowledge about future products or services to be launched. Some websites provide app reviews for a specific platform. On the other hand, some websites offer app reviews across the media, such as iOS, Android, and Windows, or niche targeting such as gaming or productivity reviews. For app developers or bloggers who are desirous of getting the right audience exposure, they need to submit their apps to best app review sites that specialize in app reviews. The most important method to attract the maximum target audience is to be visible in various app review websites that generate massive traffic through SEO. It will enable us to draw the full audience who may turn out to be loyal users. Number 1. Register. You can register for an account by clicking this link here, choosing the platform for which you wish to leave app reviews for, either iOS or Android. Number 2. Enter in your information. You'll need to enter in your basic information, such as email and name. Make sure to enter in your iTunes nickname correctly. You can find this by opening iTunes and going to Account Info. Number 3. Download apps. Once you log in, you'll see a list of apps that you can download. When you first start off, there won't be many, but as time goes along, you'll find that your account has more and more apps to download. Number 4. Write a review. You'll have 24 hours to leave a review after you've downloaded and tested the app. Make sure to give it at least 4 stars and to be objective about what you write. Here are some websites for reviewing apps. 19 to 5 Mac. This site covers Mac, iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, music, and TV. And for those having a Mac or iOS app, it's one of the best destinations for getting the app reviews done. It will enable pushing the app's visibility forward to the appropriate target audience, resulting in more downloads. App Advice. It is, again, a beneficial app review site. This online resource brings new and relevant iOS apps closer to users. This app review site publishes app charts, apps of the week, month, games of the week, and the month's games. However, this site covers only iOS apps. It also provides iOS news and app discovery. 148 Apps. It is one of the best app review sites for iOS, iPad, and Mac apps. This online platform offers recommendation and reviews on iPhone OS apps and also extensively covers iPhone apps, games, news, tips, guides, etc. Also, the website has a separate section specifically for iPad reviews. Therefore, for the promotion of an iPad app, 148 Apps is the perfect and preferred website. It's very easy to have your app listed on 148 Apps. App Addict. This vital app review site covers iOS, Mac applications and software to be reviewed. It presents the reviews in perspective as these are well written, covering every aspect of the app. App Safari. It's another app review site that covers iOS and Mac apps. Apart from these apps, it boasts around 2 million page views each month and ranks amongst the premier directory platform for iPad Touch apps. Marketing Apps. Feed My App. This site covers a broad spectrum of app reviews such as database, marketing, email, fun, management, software, etc. Therefore, for those entities willing to spend more on an app marketing campaign, this is an excellent choice for the app reviews. Mobile App Diary. This website covers a wide range of topics such as productivity and photography, apart from thorough app reviews. It attracts many social media followers and an ideal choice for the app to convert a broader target audience into loyal users. Additionally, those entities having a marketing budget can also use its paid promotion activities to enhance brand presence for the app. It enjoys a large number of email subscribers. The various social media marketing tools and activities such as walkthrough videos, press releases, etc. are made use of and adopted with creativity bound to impress the end users. Pre-apps. It's one of the apps for the marketing entities, especially those looking for a digital marketing agency to promote an app. Additionally, it also covers app reviews of Android and iOS apps from various categories such as productivity, entertainment, etc. GetApp. It's one of the best platforms, not only for discovering and comparing apps, but also for making it possible for users to search for apps easily, thus making it a preferred choice to feature the app. It covers the various categories for app reviews, including business intelligence, billing and invoicing, project collaboration, customer support, campaign management, etc. What are you waiting for? Go and earn with these beautiful websites and earn a passive income now. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.